If your sneeze was a car, it would be breaking speed limits. Welcome to a world of mind-blowing facts that'll make you say no way. Did you know that when you sneeze, it zooms out at a whopping 100 miles per hour? That's faster than cars on most highways. So always remember to cover up unless you want your germs racing into someone else's space. Moving on to something even more heartwarming. When people sing together, not only do their voices unite, but their heartbeats do too. Thanks to the rhythm and breathing of group singing, everyone's hearts can literally beat as one. So next time you're in a choir, you're not just making music, you're syncing hearts. And here's a tall tale that's actually true. The Eiffel Tower grows over 6 inches in the summer. Heat makes the iron expand, giving the tower a little growth spurt when things warm up. Imagine if we all grew a bit every summer. So, which fact surprised you the most? Drop a comment if you knew any of these, or if you're just as stunned as I am.